Hi guys, welcome to DicaNow. My name is Eliana Antonopoulos and I'm here today to teach you how to make a vegan burger. Meu nome é Eliana Antonopoulos e eu estou aqui hoje para ensinar vocês a fazer uma massa de hambúrguer vegano. So yesterday I made it and it was delicious. It was a kind of an experiment that I made and it worked out. It was okay. I was succeeded. Foi um experimento que eu fiz ontem, culinário, e deu certo. It was very simple actually, because I used simple ingredients, and I'm gonna teach you now, okay? So what did I use? I used oatmeal flakes, that's something like farelo de aveia. I had two mixtures already prepared that I had cooked before. One of them was squash, cooked with coriander, salt and olive oil. And the other mixture that I had already made was this, zucchini, eggplant, cooked with olive oil, salt and coriander. So now speaking Portuguese. Eu tinha duas misturas já, que já estavam cozidas. Uma era de abóbora japonesa com coentro, eu cozinhei com sal e azeite, simplesmente. E a outra era uma mistura de abobrinha, berinjela, e cebola, onion. Cebola com azeite e sal, only this. E coentro, sorry. Okay, so what did I do and how did I do it? I just took one part with my bare hands of this mixture, one part of this mixture, I put on a plate, okay? I smashed and mixed them, and I was step by step adding these oatmeal flakes and checking by myself the consistency of it. And after that I made a kind of a burger form, okay, the format of a burger. I spread some olive oil on a baking tray and I put the burgers there, put into the oven for about 10 or 15 minutes. I was checking all the time to see the consistency and if it was toasted, if it was baked, okay? And I flipped it to take the other side, and that's it. It was ready. It's very simple. So now I'm gonna speak in Portuguese, alright? Então eu fiz essa massa com as minhas próprias mãos, eu fui vendo passo a passo com que ia ficando e fui acrescentando aveia, né? O farelo de aveia e vendo a consistência pouco a pouco mesmo. Aí depois que eu fiz um formato de hambúrguer, eu coloquei óleo, espalhei óleo na assadeira, coloquei os hambúrgueres aqui, coloquei no forno. Na verdade eu não usei o forno grande, eu usei um forninho elétrico, mas você pode fazer no elétrico ou no forno grande. Eu deixei no forninho elétrico por 10 minutos mais ou menos, de 10 a 15, e fui olhando se estava tostado. E depois virei e deixei mais uns 10 minutos. É isso, bem facinho. Very easy, piece of cake. I hope you like it. And please, if you make it, tell me if it worked. Se vocês fizerem, me falem nos comentários aí se deu certo, tá bom? Como é que ficou. Mine was delicious. O meu ficou ótimo, ficou delicioso. See you guys, see you to the next tip and the next video. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel if you didn't do. And also, give it a thumbs up, okay? Me dá um joinha aí to like my channel. Bye bye!